folks, it's me again. What am I doing? Just a quick video. I have to go do some electrical work, so I thought I'd show you what I'm doing. What is this? This is an Evaporust video. I was at my cousin's talking about I bought a 4-wheeler off him, and I've seen this in his yard. I've getting rid of them. So see this? They're scaffolding wheels. They're kind of, here, I'll show you. They are kind of rusty, and they don't turn. The bolts are rusted. So what I'm going to try to do is take this bolt out, I'm going to de-rust this, I'll repaint it, and I'm going to drop it in the Evaporust, basically. I have 4 of them. I was looking for a set, and they're like $100. And I'm pretty sure the wheels are easy to replace, even if they don't turn. Some of them, the top turns. That one turns, which is fine. There. This one doesn't turn, or maybe it's just this. It's locking it, but where's the screwdriver? See if we can unlock this thing. Where you at? Good old Craftsman pry bar. Not. So anyway, let me get this off there. It appears it doesn't want to cooperate. Let's try to pry this up a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't. I think this is bent, but anyway, might turn. I'm gonna drop one at a time into a Evaporust. Probably this one first. I might drop it straight in. If I can get 2 of them in there, I will. Easy bolt replacement, galvanized steel. Give it a little, what do you call it, thing. This is all metal. Has to be primed and painted. And this probably will turn. So anyway, got 4 of them. I'll show you the results. A little Evaporust. This thing actually seems to work. I don't know why that one's loose and that one's not. I'm guessing it just... Let me check this real quick. Before I drop in there Evaporust, let me just play with some tools here. There's a whole lot of rust in between here. Oh shit. Is that later? Let's see. Put this down. There we go. Oh, look. The wheel turns. The wheel's a little bit funked. So we got a turning wheel with bad bearings. Probably a bolt that won't come off. And maybe I'll try to get the bolt off. Maybe I should try. Yeah. Do I have any... Oh, wait a minute. I know I could use... Hold on. Let's use the most ridiculous tool ever. Let's use a feeder wrench. The crescent wrench. See if this works. Let's see. I should put it in the vise, so I should do. Let's see. Vira tools. How the hell does this work? Oh, is it even big enough? Oh, look at that. It's big enough, it just won't budge enough. Betcha I can break this Vera wrench by abusing it. Well, looks like that ain't coming off. So anyway, got this loose. The wheel's loose. And the wheel hub is still good. And this turns, which is a bonus. So the bearings are, they're probably okay. They're probably not in fine shape, probably all rusted. So anyway, I'm going to drop 4 of these in the Evaporust. Actually, I'll show you. Let's go like this, right over there. See if you can see the bucket over here. Is this far enough away? Hold on. There's the bucket. There's the bucket of Evaporust. Oh, look at that. Nice and yummy. What are these? This is just ballast. What do I mean by ballast? Well, let me get a rubber glove. Rubber glove. Let's see. Take this out of here. That right there. Oopsies. this out of here. Dun, 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 dun. Basically, if you haven't watched my videos, I made my own basket. Drilled about 6,000 holes in here. Don't try this at home. It sucks. I mean, it's a cheap alternative, but it takes forever. So let's see if I can drop one of these in here. Oh, look at that. Holy crack-a-mole, look at that. One at a time. See a little piece sticking up right here? I don't know if you can see it. There's a little part of it. Oh, wait, let me turn it around here. Right here, a piece of it sticking up. So what you do is, to get it over it, you put extra stuff in it just to bring the water up, or the Evaporust up. So now it's all submerged. I'll leave that in there for a few days and we'll see how it comes up. Grab the lid I threw on the floor, pop it on there. Ta-da! Take that off. Let me go over here for a second. And let's see. This is. I'll show you the other two. There's the third, and there's the fourth one. This one looks like the worst. Don't know if it spins. That one doesn't spin. This one looks like. Oh, that one doesn't spin either. This one's a no spinny. The wheel kind of moves. Anyway, I will. While the other one's Evaporusting, I might try to get this out and this out on here. The only thing is I don't want to get all these mixed up. So I think I'll Evaporust them first, and I'll start with that. So if you stay tuned to my video, I will have this pumped out this week, and I'll probably do one of them, and I'll show you I'll do one of them on camera, and I'll show you the end result. Because I mean, who wants to watch something done 5 times? My shorts are falling off here. I'm losing too much weight. So anyway, good old free scaffolding legs. Should I pay $100 or just scrape these down and repaint them? I don't know. I think it's worth a shot because I don't have $100 and these are free. So anyway, anytime you get something free, you can fix it. Try to fix it, because the worst thing that can happen is you throw it in the garbage and go buy another one in the first place. But at least you tried and you learned something. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned.